You guys living? How are you guys doing? Hawu kahle Dodo, ngena nje usangirequest. Hawu ngena nje oDodo. Ngathi basuke bengilindile uthi nangu uZungu. Asisha uZungu. Hayi. Hawu. Sawubona manzi, sawubona unjani wena? Mamsibi, hi, how are you? Kulova mina. Madlovu sawubona. K sawubona unjani? Shama somkhulu. Sangiqani request. Thandeka here in Beauty Studio sawubona nyamasha. Hi, how are you? Zungulisha siyasa uyaphila oda. Are you good? Hey, why long request o D5 man? Hayi man, suka. Hayi, don't request me. Ngizodlala in no D5. Sizodlala sithini? U-D ni u-B. Sizodlala sithini? Siphi isithando sami uSarasu? Use-dining room. Use-dining room uSarasu. Kulova mina. Ungagcwali ngizogcwalisela. Kulova mina. Bafethu, hope you guys are good. Please do share the live to all the snipers of the Zungu fam. Abaningi ngathi abekho because awukashayi u-9:30. Normally ngiqala ngo-9:30. So most of them bazi ukuthi angekho live. Kanti sengi-within. Sengi-inside. Nokubonga, thank you so much for your heart me. Buya. Ngibuya kuphi manje? Kuphi la kubuywa khona? Alondo Malala unjani? I'm very much okay. How are you? Uyaphila wena? Uzodlala noma? Ya ngizodlala khona manje. Bengisa nangu uyasengiyadlala. Yeah. Come on, I go for the smoking. Umuntu yapla kaje uzodlala nami. Ile ngoma edlala lana. Hamba grand. Showcase. La asicabangeli umuntu unesmoke mayethola ithuba uyangishaya. Anginaso ngikhatha ngene. Lungile uzothatha sesishayile. Uhleli nabantu aba-100 lapho. Lutho. Thank you so much Namthweni. Ngazile ukuthi trap le. Let's go guys. Donut caps and money guys. Let's move. Ngibonile kodwa uthi trap le. Indlela ajabule ngayo mangena. Ngibone kusa ukuthi this is a trap. This is a trap. Asiye! Oh my shy guy God. Asiye labo. Awona lo akaphindwa, aphinde azathi ibhuti. Asiye labo. ngazile kodwa uthi trap le ayikho into efana nalena i-trap le ngiyibonile kodwa ukuthi ngeke umuntu ajabule kangaka uma kungena mina but ke it is what it is guys, it is what it is. Kuyothatha kuthiwe yini hawu kwangisethela i-trap lokhu yezwa indaba kalo ndipho iphelele. Can I have 4 roses guys? Can I have 4 roses to reach the target? Let's go. Only 4 roses to reach the target. Asambeni bafetha ama-rose nje awu-4 abangakawasendi ngicela bangisendela ama-rose awu-4 nabantu abawu-17 ababukile but yabo badlala kangakanani thina sibaningi but we're not playing. Ama-streaks angaka lo muntu lo buka nje kuyimanje thina siba 109 but sishoda ngama-rose awu-4 nje kho ngisho yedwa ufake rose. Thank you Magic. Can I have 3 roses guys? Real quick nje to reach the target. Ama-rose awu-3 yabo ukuthi akusho lutho ukuthi unabantu abaningi uma bengakudlaleli labo bantu abaningi usukungeke uwini just like it's happening right now.
Manje sesibuyisela into zokubanikazi ekuseni bekunumber 3 bangisosi manje sengibuyela khona kancane kancane.
Madoda sengibona ngajabula ukubona ekhaya Fryhead emadoleni. Respect yakho mfethu ibambe njalo. Siyabonga kakhulu, siyabonga kakhulu. Nguphi lonto? Ayangiyazi le i-trap ke le. Yabona amakhulunywa ke kufakwa ne-glove. Shwele. Kuthiwa nje shuthi siyaqeda ngozungu. Siyaqeda ngozungu. Ngihlelelwe kahle futhi. Funa uhlukumeze. Ngafuna ukuthi uswele. Hey madoda. Lapho ke ama-snipers ami amabona onke. Ama-snipers ala ekhaya. Akukho ngisho lodwa. Akukho ngisho lodwa. Hey. Ikhona into efana leyo babhemi. Angixoxela uzungu ngixoxela abangazi. Trap ungakaze uyibone. Ngiqala ke trap nje. Kube kodwa nami ngicabanga ngathi ngingena nje ngingakazi.
Uyamazi Sibuda uJohn Wick. Mihle. Welcome back.
Kufaka iglove weshwele. Eyani iglove? Siyabonga le match ingayanga ko 10,000. Bukani phela. Hey.
Leda. I snipe. Thank you so much. Sibuda. Andy, PJ, Namtsweni, Mihle, Tholakele, Mamlotshwa. Wele, Uya, also, thank you so much, guys. Uyamazi Sibuda?
Ubuza mina. Usibuda.
US, lo purple one.
Ya ngiyamfollow ngiyamazi.
Uyamazi. Hayi, what's sports mazi ngempela.
Oh, nizwile. Sizokwazi usibuda ke manje uJohn Maker sifundiswa nje usibuda ke namhlanje. Asithephe screen bafethu, asithephe screen as much as singakasitholi smoke thina singamthonto ozodlalela. Hello, where's Sheng? Awumzame epagini la guys, now time story, can you go with donuts, caps and money guns? Let's go. Now times 3 baphem. Izothi 3000 manje le match nizoyibona. Hayi akiyazi into nje. Ngicela ubize Ayanda Mpele. Ngimbize ngimsephi Ayanda Mpele. Awuzame nawe ukumbiza. Asiphe nje kakhulu iscreen bafethu, siphe nje kakhulu iscreen. Siphe kakhulu iscreen. Bawuze bafike nathi abethu abantu. And mase befikile, umabhano uyazi ukuthi asiceli. Sibulala kuphela. Ene ba offline yezo. Hayi nami ngilimazile ngokungena ngesikhathi engasise sami. Mhlambe kuze kube better. Can I have 4 roses guys from 4 different people? Wonke nje umuntu angiphe rose eyodwa. Sibone target so reach yini. Ngicela nje ama rose awu4. Thank you so much Sami. Ngicela u340. Thank you so much. Can I have 2 roses from different people? About 2 nje bangawasende basiphe 2 roses. Sorry target. Thank you so much. The way can I have 1 rose from one last person? One last rose from one person. Okay, we failed. If we all set the screen, so hlala go over 300 guys. Come on. Hayi ke namhlanje nje we prince zithi nje hayi uzungakadliwe. Asithephe screen thina namhlanje asithephe. Buka sisaku 11000. Bukan guys abantu bane glove bano times 2. Times 2 or times 3. Make ungena nje donut ngale ziyakhala. Yes. Abakhumbula abantu balike yezo. Engaze ngabakhumbula. Yekwangitrepha lokho umuntu yezo. Hey madoda. Contract now. Can I have a cup? Benim paylı mi? Huh? Yeah. At least angidle ngoba le yenzekala ibhlungu. Yes. Hey. Oh and oh PJ nginenzeni weingane nginenzeni kids. Hey. Beshayile nje kuyazehlela nje kuzungu. Ha yak 10000 engintshela. Ngayihayi kodliwa kanje wena. Ngemenshi eku 9000 manje lapha thina siku 133 ungahayi inkondlo ethini wena? Ungahayi ethini inkondlo wena lapha? Thank you so much guys for yazi angazi ukuthi bengabuya apha abantu bala ekhaya sikhokhise ibhlungu phela le bafethu. Waze ngikhumbula iZulu Nation. Akusimi ke ukukhumbula iZulu Nation kanje yangazi uba ngikhumbule kodwa namhlanje. Bumblebee, welcome for joining in. Please comment Bumblebee, ngizokufollow back. Ngizokufollow nje uzoba khona. Ngiyathanda ube khona as one of us as the Zulu Nation. Let's all tap, guys. Let's go with donuts, caps and money guns. Let's go. Yabonge baphansi kanjani mangidliwa ukube ngiyawina. Benzo ngibona ukuthi ngiphaphe kanjani. Mangidliwa kuphela nomoya. Kumele ukuthi ngingakhulumi. Let's all tap kodwa bafethu singakhohlwa nje ukutapha. Let's tap the screen. Tap the screen. Thank you so much for tapping. Tapping sendana ama gifts, ama roses amaningi nje. Ngicela nje manje wonke umuntu angiphe rose yakhe. Kuze sikwazi ukureach target. Nesikwazi ukumudla singenawo speed. Strong team yakhe ngale. It's people who are ready to play. Yabo siqeda kungena but asibambisane nje. Wonke umuntu ngicela ngiphe rose eyodwa. I need only 4 roses. Swasende fast kungakapheli lo 60 seconds. Ningephe nje 1 rose ngikushesha guys. Sireach target. So was nathi ukuyikhokhisela. Buka nomuntu no usewineka u9 thina sikawini. Can I get roses guys? Can I please get roses? Uyaphela guys 35 seconds. Masingawafakeli lama roses sodliwa. So can I please get ama roses? Ungifakele nje rose eyodwa. Hayi awukhumbuza uzokhanda ngerose. Faka irose. Laba tu laba. Guys, kusele 20 seconds. Namhlanje asidlalini kanti. Are we not playing today? What's happening? Are we not gonna play today or what? Asikwazi phela ukuthi phela 60 seconds asikathola ngisho rose eyi1. Engaka. Thank you. Namhlanje namabhadi bafethu yazi namhlanje. Namabhadi engakaze nowabona. Ngiqale ngaqhunyelwa isonto lemoto. Emva kokuqhunyelwa isonto ngiyadliwa ku TikTok manje. Maningi amabhadi. Ayangilandela. Namhlanje ayangilandela.
Uyake sithole kahle. Ngizohamba la ke ngikwazi ukukala ukuthi ohlelo ufika kanjani. Tell abantu abawu2 lapho bathephe vele hlela abantu abawu100 kodwa ufika i100. Abantu abawu2 lapho bathephe iscreen ngeke phela. Wangidelela kanje lo muntu lo kakhona uspirit ngala wamenzani. Thank you so much Namtsweni. Silindeni last seconds of the game. Sibone ukuthi singadlalana. But kumele sifike noma i2K lo muntu khona ezosihlonipha. Ngifundisa washo kanti wathi yeah?
Kanti namantombazana akudlalela lapho awangithandi mina.
Unamangaki? Ubhabulu 1 2 3 amajita. Tako lapho. athi baxolele le ayisinayipheki. Thank you so much. Futhi sengikhathele ukushayana nawe la. Mhlawumbe ukubiza amasuna abantu ayi lento le.
Uyanqaba mawusubona
Buda PJ ajile
namhlanje izolo
Thando lwakhe.
ngidile kwebusuku
Wele refile
ekhaya.
ebusuku benzana bese ngivala noma kwenze njani kodwa induku bese ngivulele kakhulu.
Ubudlala nje izolo udlala.
Hayibo izolo phela bivulelwa kakhulu induku kunalokhu.
Hey, bengishisa izolo.
Ayisho bengingasenamuntu sengivala ngeke.
Hayi, alright, correct man.
Showcase. Mhlawumbe siyongibiza mase khona ofikile. Hayi okwamanje.
Hayi, alright, correct.
Showcase.
Ngicabanga ukuvala mina. Ngingavali. Ngeke. Bayidelela abantu uma bekwazi ukuthi unesmoke. Bese bekuthola ungenaso. Bayachwenza. Princess abangaka azilale noyedwa.
Alright, ubuya nini?
Angazi kwamanje.
Okay.
Angazi. Okay, siyabonga.
Bon.
Usuke nje wangisukela. Ngaze ngalethe sengishaywe ngaze ngathamba. Mina ngibona nashi energy manje ukushawa. Lokho ngishayiwe nje. Wona ngithi
हेलो इस कंगले की फोटो को लगाई। अरे यार कब नुमरा उस दिन इसकी पनिशमेंट करी नहीं थी मैंने। इसने इसको ना सिंगल में 2.25 लाख स्कोर पड़ा था तो फिर मैंने अगले दिन तो मैं लाई ही नहीं आई।
sekwathina ke ngale bathi bazosidla nabo. Sekwathina. Ngikuthanda enfethu. Uyangithanda? Usho ukuthini mama ngikuthanda enfethu. Ubufuna ukubhala ukuthini hlahla? Guys asishayeni nathi phela kube khona mhlawumbe somshaya noma ikancane ke. Thank you Annalisa for heart me. Let's go guys, the time is too long. So asambe nje ngama donuts a few. Rezo lonto leyo. Asishawumfana sambe mpela. Simtitile nje bese siphuma kanje. Asambele. Now times 3. Yonke gift sesifayo manje phinde yakathathu. Asambele ngama roses nangama donuts. Ngama roses nangama donuts. Tap the screen nje futhi bafowethu. Thank you for your heart me. Asambeni baphem. Kodwa ngathi nisekudena kakhulu. Angisondela eduze. Ubona la eduze. Yeah. South times 3 bafowethu, South times 3. Hawu. Mambhele kwenzakalani ngaye? Uright mntakwethu. Lama gift wasende izithombe wena mama. Wabona. Let's keep on tapping the screen bafethu. Nathi khona simdlayo. Noma sika 87 siyamudla. Asithephe nje baphem. Ngadinwa ukuthepha. Lo muntu ngoba athi unabantu abaningi kangaka nje. Ngisafuna ukudla nami lapha bakithi yazi. Mhlawumbe uzoba ne-energy mase ngidlile. Into bepheka la. Hayibo. Yeah, let's keep on tapping the screen, Jabba. Tap the screen, tap the screen, tap the screen. Now, Piwaduma on the lives. You're welcome. Tap the screen, my daughter. Tap the screen. Kodwa ngothembe kontombazana ngavele faka imaningane khona manje. Sebenza iscreen babhemu. Sepeni iscreen. Usichofoza nje iscreen kungonakele. Ustitinye iscreen. Hawu. Akonakele kakhulu. Angithembi kodwa. Ama-taps asehleli phezulu kanje awusiphushile kodwa yazi akufani. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate you guys a lot. Alright, mntawethu, bye-bye. Bengithi mina nginasmoke makhona umuntu ono-20 hayi ithemba liyabuya. Hayi liyabuya ithemba. Unabantu abaningi inkinga lo siya kuyo 67. Ngeke. Nangisafa wena le number yami le ngilungile le muntu uzongishaya. Phela ngibuye ngicalculate nami nje abantu abangaka sobalwela ubani. Hayi angihlehle kulempi ngiyekuleya. Wena ngo-AK fire we madoda.
Hi,
Hello, how are you?
I'm okay. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year as well.
Yeah,
Compliments.
thank you. Guys, let's try, please.
Step screen
Okay.
bafethu stepini kakhulu. Singavumi intombazana sidle.
Mm-hmm.
Nangifaka isnapper sakhe phezulu. Aziphe zami.
Shy, sunshine. Sunshine, what's going on? Me even they wonder self. Guys, first give doubles. Everybody doubles, 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 doubles. So, Abuja, what are you saying?
Ngizwile uthe kangishaya. Ngizwile lo language. Times 2 guys, let's go. Donuts, caps, manigans, let's move. Let's go. Step in the screen mawala babhema ekhiyenzi njengamanje ngoba konakele vele. Konakele kakhulu so asasambeni ngama taps nje kakhulu. Banomngangu uyaphela. Siyaphila nathi mntawethu. There is a time 3 coming babhema. Singakhona ukuthi mtiti awu lama streaks akhe maningi lawa yazi singawadla. Singawatitinya lawa.
Abi 18K.
Ngelo yedwa uzosifakela nje donuts. Only one donut. Sirichile target lapho. Liba lodwa nje donut indigaxang. Sirichile target lapho. Because amaroza awudate azosehlula. Idonut eyodwa nje. Yo useyifakile yena donut warichile target nimbonile. Thank you so much. Ubani usamge. Thank you Samge. Yo ngathi ubuwazi ukuthi ngiyanidinga. Anikho nonke today Samge. Guys, now times 3 na ke manje. I need to ugijima ke manje ngama donuts, caps and money guns. Let's go. Let's move kids. Ngagcina nikubona izungu nation isokola kanje. Let's go guys with anything. Donuts, caps, roses, anything. Let's go. Times 3 nje ngamanje. Yo, guys, bukani phela. Kuvela ukuthi angivele ngifane live ngilale ngoba kuyazwela. Ayikho phela lento. Ngaphela ithemba bhuti. Kunengiqalile ngidliwe. Wese ngithe shaya amanzini. Wafethu udliwa noma sekuthiwe shaya amanzini, vele kushawe yena umanzini. Hayi, angidle nje Nkosi yami ngikhohlwa. Lokhu ngiyimotivate. Ngoba konakele. Hey. Kuzolunga. Nini? Funa kulunge manje. Hawu. Yabona nje ngivele ngaphapha ele. Cha bufuna lokho engufunayo phela nawe bufuna siwini. Nami ngifuna siwini. Ay, akhumbula uJiji mayesethi mama. Mama. Kuyaswela. Phela manje sengayi kuba mnyama yakhuluma sekuzoza. Ay ngathi akusa. Ngathi lokhu kusebusuku nje. Ane wesiphathi ngathi kusawu past 12 ebusuku. Hayi. Phela ngisuthi nokudla ukudla ngiyakuthanda mina kumnandi. Inkinga mangidliwa ayi. Mangidliwa ayi.
Me will get energy now. I can't get strength to do anything. I swear. I cannot remember when last I was weak like this, guys. It's not okay. Sorry. Like it's not even okay to be this weak. Please close the door, guys. Please, sweet fire, welcome. Close the door.
Wabona ngisheshe ngakubukela phansi lokho ntombazana. Sawubona nokulunga uphi yakode. Angidle kithi iyangistressa into enzakalayo. Now times 3 guys. Can you try to snipe up with donuts and caps if it's possible? Vele izosniper izoba 600 manje nizoyibona. Ngitheni ke? Ngitheni? Sebemfakile inhliziyo yaphinda yakathathu. Bengubani ke mina? Hawu wangizala namsamke. Ngiyabonga. Lokhu ngiqalile ukungena ku live namhlanje ngaze ngifike kule number ngiyaqala nqa ukufika ku100. Wazwangizala. Ngiyabonga samke. Akekho umuntu ongaba ne-energy edliwa guys. Mawudliwa nje energy ayibibikho. Kodwa masingabambisana. Ngicela nje ngipha ama roses enu. Ngicela ngipha ama roses how 4 guys. Only 4 roses. Fast nje wonke umuntu anginikeza irose yakhe fast. Ngicela sipush. Let's go guys. Yebo 2 more nje. Sibambisane abawu2 nje abangakawasendi basithi ma rose. Fast. Nathi singana match esiwinile namhlanje. Asambeni bafethu thank you Naledi thank you so much. Hawu ngiyabonga lungu samke yo. Ngiyaqala nokurisha target osukwini namhlanje. Imagine. Sawubona Manzama, hope you are well. Guys now 10:30. Donuts, caps and money guns. Sike nje sibe nematch esiwinile at least. We sebemfakela inhliziyo. Ay. Bamnika 2 inhliziyo. Ey, konakele. Isithathe inhliziyo. Fakani phela nani inhliziyo namadonut. Fakani kids fakani. Yehene. Kalala ukuthi ngiflathelwe isalukazi namhlanje ayikho nje. Oh mama. Thank you to Samge for a donuts. Guys, can I have more donuts? Can I have hearts? Can I have, man? Uyaswela. Azokuqala live angaka scream mina ngajabule nje. Angeneme. Akujabulekile kimi. Lokudla ngikusadleka sengisuthi. Lapho ngazizwe ngisalambile. Kodwa ngeke sangena. But this is my first time namhlanje ngifika kuleya number. Thank you so much. Singowethu basashaya moya siphakamisa. Samke kaze ubungadlali ngani ku times 3 na. Samkena. Ngabe phela sik 900 and something manje. Akube sidlale ku times 3. Akusekho noyedwa nje over online guys. Bezolekelela uSamkena. Mucha mama class say online. Ngulondi lo. Thank you so much. Wesamke. Azwangithwala bo. Yabo nje ube bese demani kan. Bese ngavele ngiza sifake imani kan. Asithephe ngiyakhula akekho nonemani kan ngokusheshsha guys. Onesibhamu semali nje. Isibhamu semali sithi ratha same time. Abanye asithephe nescreen phela asithephe nescreen sonke sibone ukuthi angesikwazi ukunyuka. Imani kan ibe yodwa nje sisnipe. Imani kan inkosi yami weshwele. Imani kan ukubithe ligahla kanti siyathepha nathi nedonut elot. Bezosazi kahle. But thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for putting me there. Ngiyaqasha ukufika 700 namhlanje. So I appreciate you guys a lot. It means a lot. Ngiyangijabulisa namazidliwe but ukubuka inamba uthi ikhulile ayisafana seqaleni is better than ukuthi yo ngidliwa ngendlela bengidliwa ngayo. It's still a loss but we tried. Akona mina mzala Dleki akona times 3 guys la mahathi ke ngadinga lana ke bamnika idonut lengane bamnika neheart fakani guys bongimusa shayani baphem shayani amahathi awukahle wena ngibuza koLondi amahathi yazi nje iheart eyodwa kuyaswela mama kuyaswela ngingalali guys ngiqhubeke ngidlale noma ngilale cela ukuzwa ngani namhlanje nje angazi kwenzakalani abantu beZoom Nation angibaboni bonke.
You want to reach 31 now? It has not changed. I did not see it though. Are you about to reach 31? Abuja go cry. Abuja. Sunshine's about to enter 31. Abuja go cry.
Akona. Andangizwakalini man. Aki. How? Can I have 3 roses, guys? Thank you so much, Wendy. Can I have 3 roses, guys, from 3 different people? Abantu about range. Bangisendela ama roses. Sibambisane madoda noma kunje. Funa sibumbane kodwa. Ama roses awu 3 ngokusheshsha nje bafethu. Ungiphe 1 rose. kushoda u2 bafethu singafika ayibambisane madoda kukubi kunjena ama-rose awu2 eyokugcina i-rose thank you so much for reaching the target ubani usithandwa akhona thank you so much Rizzy yo I haven't seen you in a while Rizzy where have you been guys can we snipe up it's ×2 we can still get there guys can we have our first win for the night we've been losing with the money gun sonke ratata ngibukeni muhle kanjani uma ngijabule hawu kahlendwe ingane ngijabuliseni ngathi kuyadleka ungabuseza ngathi kuyadleka yekela ngizodla appetite revive yeah ngizodla bangibona ngilambile ubeke bani komnandi bo wow thank you so much hawu ngibone ngimuhle kanjani mangihappy ama-streets bafethu nabona bangakanani ngiyahamba manzini okay ngiyabonga kakhulu I appreciate you a lot Shem hawu indlala ibikhona yazi ngisho ngabona bekulambekile indlala indlala leyo sengiyibonile mina ibivele ikhona futhi nje ifika kabi nganakile noma naya ulamba lo yazi nguzwa manje ukuthi kumnandi kanti ngubona manje ukuthi kumnandi guys watch out because they see our number they will try to snipe so let's push a bit further let's tap in the screen sonke guys and let's try to snipe up ningayiphoxi injabulo kamanzini iningi manje sengijabule ningavumi badlule guys please ningavumi badlule please don't allow them first win for the night ngiyanithanda kids some wait whoa some girl with the glove and a mist thank you so much Rizzy baby Sandra Wendy egoda magamenu Noxa Sense Official Londi Lucia Zanele Khanye Lungile Thusi Sibonga Mpele everyone was tapping everyone was sharing the live appreciate you guys a lot ngafela ngalamba akahle ngihle Uyavula inhliziyo shuthi indlala bivele ikhona ngibona ke ngindamba nga bengilambeni Funde bengilambe kakhulu times 3 let's go asimbulale how yes ngithanda mina donuts cups and money guns times 3 let's go ungaboni ukuthi ngilambe ngaka bengaboni nje umuntu usalamba ngaka how shuthi kahle bengivele ngilambile wasekuqaleni yana ngoba ngiyazi moya kube nendlala phakathi thank you Noxa thank you Sandra bese ngimangela why isisu sami so etha ngathi suthi ngingadli kanti nifunani yey wena ngoba uthi awupheli live wabantu ufunani ufunani lo Nihlaliswe yimi manje ngizocula nani mina ngizongiphathela nina ngisashaya abantu la one rose kids one rose to the thank you so much for Rizzy thank you so much Rizzy with the money no with the galaxy anginakile suka yo Rizzy next time please put that what you call it galaxy on a ×2 it was gonna be Kahleni thank you so much shoot I was hungry how Rizzy they are back how they are back Riz how kanjani manje how did they come back here manje who is this person cha Emmanuel I was on board guys let's tap up let's go we can still win this match I think the fasting is this have again your phone she's going to call someone so let's snipe up now because that someone will come and try to snipe never she is calling someone so let's go good thank you network thank you how I nearly died What happened?
I don't know. Me, I was even thinking that it was you. Looks like maybe my network or something.
Let's go up. Samsung. Thank you so much, Minetli, for helping me. Thank you so much. Yay, guys. Unamanga lo ubone ukuthi ngiyamudla wayivala yona. Rizzy with the money gun. Hey, why do I keep saying money gun? Rizzy with the galaxy. Boop, 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 boop. You can go, but you can't come back. To go you can go, but to come back never. Ungayo kuya kodwa ubuya chobo. Awukahle ngidla. Ubezama yini? 3 roses kids angipha ama rose awu 3. Fast. Umuntu angiphi rose eyodwa nje. Qhubeka lento yokushaya abantu. Yebo kushoda 2 roses guys. Come on, let's play. Ngipha nje rose yakhe eyi1. One rose, sorry. Excuse me guys. Surisha seconds. One more. Thank you Noxa. One more rose. Irose eyodwa. Awungiphi. Ungakangiphi nje rose. Awungipha 1. Should bese kuyidlala. Bese kulambekile yasi ngiyabona. Thank you Mamkhize. Guys, we're gonna have times 2 right now. High level member. Hello, Mam Kizo. Now times 2, guys. Let's go. Donuts, caps, money cans, galaxies, moving whales, jackpots, all big stuff. Let's go. Even roses too. Let's go. Snipe up, kids. We have 47 seconds to do it. Thank you, Starter, for your donut. Thank you. Let's go, kids. Times 2. Yazi kuyasa ngempela ke man. Bengiqinisele ukuthi kusazosa. Kuyasa manje. Thank you so much for a donut, Reezy. Let's arifambeni. Man. How kunini ngidliwa? How ngeke ithuba lama. Yeah. Ayike. Siyabonga kakhulu. Ayikavuma. Hayi bese ngizwa ngathi ngidepressed. No, ukudliwa. Uzuvile ngathi unento wrong kuwe. Antu uyadliwa nje. How kanti ngiyavela la? Ngiyabona nje number 3 lapha. Bekungamele. Ngihambe ngize ngifike. Thank you Ngozi for your heart me. Thank you so much. Watch out for their snipe, guys. They will try to snipe. Nimbonile lo sniper la ngalo, he's still there. So watch out for a snipe on the last 10 seconds. Yebo kids, yebo. Ngithanda manje njalo. Thank you. Ngithanda masinjalo. Uzongiceba kwabangani bakhe. Hayi akahamba uyiphose wena. Phela umZulu wena, ubuye ukhumbule. Weyu umZulu wena. Uma ngithi hlangana Zulu ngihlanganisa wena nawe. Phela shaya umngane wakhe shaya yena. Let's go. 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 Soga. Love that, kids. Thank you so much, guys. Highly appreciate that a lot. Reezy, you got yourself a boost and a timer. I highly appreciate all of you. Reezy, Lulu, Nondu, Mamkiz, Eminentle, Nogza, Kosi, Tuma, Zanele, Bui, and everyone was sipping, guys. Everyone, thank you so much. She still wants to go again. Asiqhubeke simphindeni. Ngaze happy, guys, kanti ase bese ngi depressed. Low key. I was feeling depressed. Not depressed, but fethu depressed. Vela ngimazi. Now times 3, guys, times 3. Can you snipe up? Donuts, caps, money cans, galaxies, and everything big. Let's go, guys. Excuse me. We have 20 seconds to do it. Is it possible? Can I see some galaxies fly on multiply by 3? Tap the screen. Let's all tap the screen, guys. Let's tap the screen, tap the screen, tap the screen, tap the screen, tap the screen. Send roses, send donuts. Nje, please. Aze nangithwala. Alright. Now ngizondinga again. Because there's gonna be times what? Or there's a 60 seconds bonus mission that is coming. It's gonna be times 2. So I need each and every one of you, family, to send me a rose. To send me a rose. Yabo sesibine kathathu nathi kuke kube kuhle. I need only 2 people to send me a rose. Ngirishisa get. Thank you so much for Nkomo. 2 roses, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, Reezy, for reaching the target. Kono times 2 uzovela manje, guys. Oh, kwaze kwamnandi ke la ekhaya. How kunini sigcinile ukujama. ukujabula kade sagcina ukujabula hey kwakuhle ×2 guys now ×2 donuts caps money guns galaxies whales moving whales whatever guys let's go even roses too guys even roses too hey unzima let's go ×2 guys let's go donut caps asambeni baphem bazoze basnipe magic GG level 10 guys can I see some roses can I see some donuts can I see some caps can I see some money guns let's move angathatha ama-streaks ethu kalula kanje guys sesiwakhande kanzima lama-streaks so let's open some gap please. Thank you so much, Rizzy, for some roses. Thank you so much, Ngosi, for some roses. Upumtasis. Awusebusuku uselele. Uselele naye manje. Guys, let's all play. Let's all tap the screen. Waze wakhuluma nomuntu othule. Angikhulumi naye mina, ngikhuluma nani? Ngathi ngimvale ngisho kumvala. Ngizobe ngikhuluma naye. Let's go, kids. Yo, that person who was sniping up for her, guys, he is back. The one who was busy sending galaxies, he is back. Bugan lapo number 1 and usele he was going to recharge or something, but he is back. So surely there's gonna be a galaxy sniping in on the last 30 seconds. I'm 100% sure about that. So let's try to defend those 3 streaks.
If it go happen to me, and I think I'm alone to be anyone shouting, laid at my table.
So watch out, guys. There's gonna be a galaxy snipe that's gonna be here in 10 seconds. I can sense it. Guys, ngingavumi nezwa yini. Manje nayibona nje galaxy nanifake ngeke. Guys, the streaks, guys. The streaks. Oh, finally. Thank you so much, guys. Everyone was tapping, everyone was playing. Thank you so much. Andile Ngobo, you got yourself a hammer and a boost. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Rizzy, Andile, Nkosi, Nondo, Hafankomo, Magic, Nox, Fukeng, Zanele, yeah, all of you, and Boy. Let's tap in, cool, guys. Let's tap. Every one of us should tap. Let's all tap the screen. I would think you account ya as a gift. Okay. Usho masego uwe ngubone. We're gonna have ×3. We have ×3, guys. Is there any way we can try to snipe up just now with donuts, caps, or money guns, or even galaxies? Lulu Skado, ne? Okay. Yo, guys, she is gone. Guys, she is gone. Sis. Hey, nange sebuya ke le ntombazane bakithi. Nange buya intombazane baphemi. Let's all tap the screen though. Let's keep tapping the screen. Everybody should tap the screen. Tap the screen. Tap the screen. Tap the screen. Ningitaphe nje ukubizwa iscreen. Hayi okuningi. Tap nje. Tap nje yabo. tap nje sokuteketisa. I only need him lo. Oh yeah, I see you Lulu. I see you. Can I have 2 roses guys to reach the target? Kazi yini yakuhlukanisa noShenga ayingiphathi kahle le. Hayi bongisekhaya nje mina naye usegoli. Thank you so much Lulu and Nondo for reaching the target. Guys, I don't know how, but I think we need a money gun to be above that thinging. I think we really do need a money gun. We do need a money gun, guys. Times 2 buffet. Donuts, caps, money guns. Let's go. Uzowathatha ke lama-streaks sesimudle kangaka babhemu. Can you snipe up Zungu Nation? Let's go. Ave nengihlakisa mase nibuza uShenga. Bafethu sisnipe nazi ama-streaks ahamba phela manje. Thank you so much, Lulu. See you pushing. Thank you so much. Bapemo. Sbo, I love you. Ew. Siyabonga kakhulu. Tap the screen, kids. Tap the screen, kids. Let's keep tapping the screen, Buffett. We have only 1 minute 15 seconds to snipe up. Uhlekani Adile? Hawu uyangilava njena. Kumele ngithini? Let's tap the screen. Buffett, as we can still snipe this up. Or if Rizube sakhona. Ithi I love you more. Kanjani ke ngoku? Manje uyabonga. Hawu ngumuntu appreciate kakhulu phela mina. Let's go kids. Ahamba ama-streaks guys. Mangafika i-defender nje lifeli lithi vuru ngeGalaxy. Lodwa nje i-defender lithi nje vuru ngeGalaxy. Sivikela ama-streaks ethu. Kuyaswela. Awu mama wami kuyaswela.
Thank you for the game, okay? Do have a lovely new year.
All right, thank you so much. Ngiyambona umuntu befuna ukuzosisa ama-streaks ethu bese yahamba. Sewathathile-ke asisenama-streaks. Sesinje ngo-Olopholo. But thank you so much guys. Siyabonga. Idlala kanjani le game? Yavela top 10. Thank you so much. I appreciate you a lot. Let's all tap the screen bafethu. Let's snipe up donuts, caps and money guns. Let's go. Namaroses nifake konke nifake. Krishan. Thank you so much Lulu for your heart me for a donut. And yithi abantu. Ayibona umfana. Yithi abantu ngempela uZamani. Thank you Lulu. Ayibo iya gift ke le account ka Lulu. Hayibo. Hi Sbo. Thank you Noxa. Hawu sabu Ismail na ama-streaks alahlile bafethu. Akudliwe lama-streaks la. Niyabona alahlile? Yenaka. Asiwadleniki. nathi siphuca u4 asithatheni nathi lawo 4 manini-ke ningabe nisagift-ke ningabe nisagift ningagift wo Noxa andile wait ningagift Qawululu banenkani manini ngifuna sigift kakhulu mase ku times 3 izohamba kakhulu inamba ngicela ama rose kuphela njengamanje only 3 roses guys let's go ama rose nje kuphela kushoda u2 then ke emva kwalapho ke siyabangena ke manini ningabe nisagift sakhe wo phozani kanjalo nje thepani screen kuphela thepha kuphela screen manje thepha screen kuphela nje phela yabo manje ngathi induku ivulelwe faka yonke lento ade nifaka ngisho ama manigani nifaka ama galaxy nifaka ama heart nifake lo phephela othi ade nufaka manje lolu mayike ngathi nje pe ivulelwe induku ngifuna ukuyibona yako 1 point something yako 2 point something simbula nama donuts ama caps ama mani konke angathi unosisini lo baba umpofu hey weyelo bone awuvula umlomo usibona hayi unamazi nyaqaqene nomzala asepen screen asepen ningadlali nakho ke ivulelwe induku akuphakwa kitchen kulanjiwe donuts caps money guns galaxies whales asambe asimuphe njoba ade ngisho ngalama gift ade siwasho sofika manje ngalama gift ade ngiwasha asambeni useduze lo muntu masingamphinda nje ngoba ade senza sofika manje we have 39 seconds to do it let's go Noxa bapha yebo Lulu asambeni sofika athi angizwa kahle Wathi 4000 yazi ukuthi galaxy eyodwa is there anyone with one galaxy bafethu ongavela siblesse ngegalaxy sifike manje ongasiblessa nje ngegalaxy nje manje sifikile futhi eke wavikela lama streaks akho lokho we
Yes, my girl. It's not necessary. I'm telling you the truth. I'm smokeless.
wait put the tablet and go to bed go upstairs wait thina sasikhala emva kwendlu times 2 guys
I'm going to let's set the screen.
times 2 guys let's go donuts caps and money guns asenzeni lento besithi sizoyenza ngale kulungu
Yabona namhlanje nge-smokeless ngempela. Let's go.
awusuwineka u8 wangenza isiphukuphuku nje wena
And manje sozothatha ama-streaks sami ke. Yama manje you taking my streaks.
kanjani no78
Uzobona uzowathatha nge-smokeless shema I'm not gonna lie. Yabona for the first time uzongidla.
asambeni baphem tap the screen asambeni
Shantani hakli yakho ize i-grey. Ngeke Shanto. Chantel,
asambeni baphem we're gonna have a times 3 njengamanje siyatap iscreen nje niyakwazi ngilokho sitap iscreen kuphela sithepha nje kuphela madoda niyakwazi lokho how network ngicela iroza eyodwa
mina smokeless nje. Yabo? Nayithathela nje.
1 rose to reach the target
Okay, babes.
thank you so much
1 rose, guys. Tembile, thank you.
mama wami uyaswela kuna time 3 ozoqhamuka bafethu njengamanje le yampahla besizozama sizameni yona manje sibone ngeyenzeke
Mina ngi-activate ne-speed so zenzeleni.
Ngikuqamba manga ushilo nje what thank you ngikuqamba manga
Thank you in.
wena ucathi ngiyibhari yakho nje ndala
I'm smokeless, I'm telling you.
guys khona times 3 sishaka kancane manje asithepeni yabona ukuthi asisathephi kodwa bafethu how kodwa now times 3 nake asambeni ke Lulu noNhlanhla nonke baphem asambeni now times 3 donuts caps money guns igqoko omvemvane konke baphem akuzeke manje nalithuba Now times 3. Masihluleke ukudlala times 3 sodliwa.
Uzodliwa bani?
Bafethi iqoko namadonut angikuboni. Thank you Noxa. Iqoko weingane iqoko kids. Lethani iqoko. Sekushoda lemvemvane oluthi manje. Level 11. Boo, 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 boo. Thank you Noxa. Awulwe Noxa. Ngathi usele wedwa manje. Awuthi faka amafutha sami. Ukuze noma kuthiwa basniper ngegalaxy bengabuyi.
Yes, sniper. I'll relax.
Angikwazi ukurelax ngidlala nawe iqoki ngibonile izolo.
All right. Yenza njalo ke dlalani.
Awu ngathi unoshanteli. We
Aka recharge ngoShantel.
Asithepheni kakhulu bafethu. Asithepheni kakhulu madoda. Asithepheni kakhulu. Hayi uThemba ndiqoke elidala akekho umuntu ongarelaxa kanje ngo8 streaks.
And ngirelaxile because ngiyazazi mina.
Ukuthi uzofaka igalaxy ngo last 2 seconds.
If bengifuna ukuyifaka kube kudala yabona uma ulahlela lo 6 something kube sengikulahlelele ngakubonisa ama flames. So manje dlalani.
Masiphusheni baphe. Ama-streaks ngiyawahalela ngicela ningilumisa ama-streaks please.
Wathatheni siyanipha for free. Kodwa sizonibamba.
Wazi kahle uzofaka igalaxy njengamanje bafethu watch out umuntu uzofuna ufaka igalaxy. Sniper lapha nami ngiyababona lokhu njalo.
Yes, sniper. Yabo?
Why ungasnipanga?
Because ngiyakutshela ngi-smokeless.
Kanti bapha abantu.
Bayeza.
Kodwa phela ubu-live nasemini wena.
Yeah?
Ngithi kodwa ubu-live nasemini wena.
Bengi-live.
Yeah.
Bengithi ngifuna ukusave i-fragment. But ngiyabona ukuthi ke namhlanje kuyabhetha.
Thank you so much Lulu ngiyibonile Shem. Ngiyabonga kini nonke bafethu. Thank you so much to uNoxa, uLulu, Andile, uPriti, Mbulazo Mnyama, Elana, SK, Ntombi yaseHeart, Zanele, Khanye, Sanezo. Everyone was tapping. Everyone was sharing the live. Ngiyabonga.
Thank you. Dlala maybe 3.
Huh?
Singadlala 3 games. 2 more. Then you can go.
All right, no problem. Guys, now times 3. Zisuka nje. Ake sifake pressure. Asifake nje pressure isuka nje baphemu. Siyifake nje pressure zisuka. Sibone ukuthi sizolimala. Now times 3 guys. Donuts, caps, money guns. Lolu yavemvane lolu iqo.
Ngiyangiceda Shem. Ngiyangiceda kanjani?
Kunini nje namhlanje?
Udloba, because I didn't do anything to you.
Khona omunye bedlile.
Namhlanje uyasinda. Ngihlezi ngokushaya every day. Namhlanje Shem hayi. It's fine.
Wena ebhadi nje ngithola ngina smoke. Yabonyana mina manginesmoke.
Rashford, how are you? Thank you so much, Rashford.
Lulu, thank you. Level 10. Thank you so much. Lulu. Thank you, Pretty, for a heart me. Thank you, Pretty, for a heart me.
Guys, he took my streaks. He took my streaks. Imagine.
Nice, it was.
I'm hurt.
Two band, guys, 2 roses.
2 roses bandla ngeke. Move. Happy New Year, move. Long time.
1 more rose.
Oh yeah.
Thank you so much. For what? For reaching the target.
We started. The way you were reading akhona yabona se-activate ngespeed asikhona nokuthola ne-rose eyi-1.
Ngono nami kade ngihlulwa ama-Rose awu-4 nje ngingakwazi ukusireacha. Thothi ngizothola 3 maku-5 ngithole 4 we.
Kodwa kuzawulunga. Amalanga wafani. Just namhlanje nje. Yabona namhlanje sasukhohlwe baba. Sasukhohlwe. Ashiba thina.
Ngasho nje njalo. Ungayisholo nje. Times 2 kids, let's go. Let's put some pressure. More donuts, more caps,
I-pressure yami.
more roses. "35 seconds, guys. Let's push." Sithi sikade namandla kancanyana nje.
Maphi wona? Kuninifukuza khona la kodwa ningafiki na ku-1K.
1K wakade sidlala inkinga thina.
Okay. Ungene ngobani?
Ngo 8:45.
Yeah, nami I think I came in around that time.
Let's all tap the screen babe masambe. Step on the screen. Tap the screen. Step the screen. Let's go, kids. Let's go. Hey, mama.
Move kanti usekhona. Thank you so much.
Sebefuna ama-streak sabo. Vele why vele namaqale early. Bengihleli ngingenzi lutho so I just chose to come in. Bengithi ngisurprise. How?
Surprise. Hey.
Bengithi ngisurprise. Bashuza nethandi surprise yami.
Hey, ngiyabona ukuthi udisappearile nje. So ubuya ngoba uyabona ukuthi manje i-last weekend le. UDisemba uphelile. Back to reality now.
Konje sekuJanuary.
Yes. UJanuary abanye bese ba relaxile bangazi nokuthi namhlanje Tuesday or Wednesday or ingaki. What happened Monday? How are you?
Bafake le yampahla la bayifakile le hat bazidlule.
Guys, let's snipe. Snipe.
Asikhuphukeni. Thank you.
Move, thank you so much. Thank you.
Let me follow
Yeah, Jam, thank you.
Thank you so
Guys,
much.
we're playing a last game, ne?
Yeah, it's the last game.
Last game, then out.
And then
Is there anything that we can do? Kule last game, then guys, pushing something. Guys, pushing something. Last game, guys. Last game.
Hayi Zongo, sawubona wenyawo se. Mina ngiqala uDisemba ngoba nina nekuJanuary nje. How kanjani manje? Uqala kanjani manje weNoxa? Kanti ukuphi? Times 2 guys. Pressure. Ego. Inhliziyo fast. Naba beshiya inhliziyo bo. Lethani inhliziyo wengane. Hey. Lethani inhliziyo.
Aspeli speed. Phela speed. Phela bandla.
Hayi kodwa bakithi.
Awu.
Nikolo senani
Siyabonga. Zotelelo. Hi. Move.
Lala after the match. After this match here was usala like.
Mahamba yolala. Akahambe.
Yes. I was 12.
Hambe yolala.
Oh, uyithatha phi Rose lona? Hey wena, iRose uyithatha phi?
Yobangalinge basifuna ama-roses. At least one person. At least.
One rose, guys. One rose.
Guys,
One rose to reach the target.
One rose, guys.
And I have one rose. Thank you so much, Magic.
Angeke
so
nje
much.
asishayele umuntu.
Magic
One
akeke
rose
menze
girls.
moderator ngeke.
One rose girls.
Magic
One rose.
ikade
One rose.
bafethu yazi kuhlale khona
Happy, how are
as
you?
much as
Guys, can I please have one rose? One rose. Let's activate the speed. The last game. Thank you so much. Move. Thank you.
moderator ungcono ke. Phela uhlale
Kumele
yini
sibaleke nje la. Kumele
nawuthi
sibalekeni.
bafethu ngethanda inhliziyo ke
Kumele
nama-donuts
sibalekeni la.
ulethe nama-roses fakani wengane nalokho
Angeke.
kuphephela
Ungishayile uthatha ama-streaks ama-8 move imagine.
thephani nescreen futhi yeni
Guys, doubles. Oh,
let's go
bayasondela
let's go
labantu.
let's go kids. Can somebody snipe up for the Zoom Nation? Can somebody snipe up?
Ningasnipe dlalani lapho nini.
Asi vele ngene nje umuntu ongithandayo lapha athi sihlale nama-10 ngagcina nokuwina nje kahle
Guys, snipe hle.
sithe wathatha
Tell me
ama-rose
so. Bayangibamba. Apologize. Thank you so much for the follow.
let's go guys
Move
Ningamyeki
awuthethanga. Move ngithethanga.
Stephanie screen sonke sizofika ngama-tabs kuye akekho kude ngama-tabs nje sonke let's all tap the screen ngimkhombise into engishoyo guys i-last match lena we have to win this match sesidlale
What if
ka-3 let's all
asifuna
tap the
win?
screen
What if asifuna ukuthi win le match?
hayi ngiyayiwina lena ngenkunzi tap the screen kids tap the screen basingathapha sonke nje ngokubambisana singafika manje
Ngenkunzi.
ngiyabona nithi ngisondela kanjani masithapha sonke tap the screen kids tap the screen tap the screen simple stuff tap the screen guys
Mazulu.
asambeni bafethu useduze nangu manje nangu kwamakhelwane mbamba umlume ekhanda usithe nangu phambi kwenu thephani iscreen nidlule-ke manje tap the screen nangu Makhumalo.
Final.
Thank you, Khums. Thank you. Oh, Khumza. Wathi Rose wabanjani. Awu suka somthungu ambulazi kaMashobane. Ha, usithe unane Donald. Sakati wena.
Yabona namhlanje ngifundile. Yasinda nje impela namhlanje. Asimbe nje. Simbe nje took my streaks. Ngicela i-last game yethu le ngicela ningisnipele.
Ah, suka.
Guys, snipe.
Oh, kaMakhumalo ngeRose khuphuka Makhumalo khuphuka. Awusebonga kakhulu.
Thank you so much. Ngiyabonga move. Thank you.
Without ukuphumula. Thank you to Makhumalo.
Thank you, Sibo.
Thank you to sovele langeni. Magic SK Uzanele Asive Huffle Heart Magana how kana sho makanana kaza ubashaya ngana abantu emakanana ubashaya ngana abantu konakele bayekelwa nabantu kube ulisakhanya everyone was tapping. Thank you so much Wendy ulungile
bye
nangu Ember fethu nayo uyasideserve isibhaxu sethu enangu nation enyamhalela man hey yikho phethe amandla nginawo yofika bukise ngama ngathi ngiyakuyi ayena mangimbuka nje moya wami uyamlangazelela moya wami ulangazelela unation Nkosi yami ufuna yena moya wami uyamlangazelela unation ufuna wena enabophiwe abantu bonke ngibahalela ngesibhaxu laba angazi mhlazinjani kodwa nje moya wami uyakulangazelela funa wena moya wami uyakulangazelela ufuna ukuyishayela wena moya wami uyakulangazelela yebo ufuna wena.
Hey, Nkosi yami lo mfana. Hey.
Sabona budi.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
Sabona sister.
I also miss Tabo. I also do miss Tabo. Ish.
Tell Rato her invitations
Guys,
were
be
over.
careful about that poem boy. Eh? Be careful about that poem boy. That poem is a problem. But ngimnyisile uyazi ukuthi ngimenzeni egcineni. Guys, let's give this times 3.
Assemble, guys, tap the screen, let's move. Times 3, kids, let's move. Donuts, Captain, Money Guns, and Galaxies, let's move.
Nah,
Ngithemba
okay.
nina. Ngithemba nina mina.
Times 3. First give.
Akekho
Nash,
engithembayo.
if you drop a galaxy here, you drop a flying jet, whatever that you drop is going to be times 2, guys. You see, abantu bakalokhuzana bakalumfana wamapoem lo banzima kabi bazo drop ezinye izinto lapha. Asambeni guys. Bazobapha lamapoem ngathi sabashaya, sabanyisa. Tap Masimba. Ushaka.
Share the live,
Wow, hey, share the live where?
share the live, kids.
Yeah, shut up. Shut up there.
Are we playing a quiet game?
Yes, you know we are playing Koyashanya.
You did not tell me.
Thank you so much. But shut up because you're on 3. You can't be so speaking. Level 12 slash, thank you. Ushaka. Washaya. Washaya ushaka. Saqethuka. Ushaka. Washaya. Kwanzima. Be-activator nespeed. Satula. Jada, shut up there. I'm trying to write a poem here. Are you crazy? Ngifuna usibona ukuthi angichaje. I have a potential bude. I can write, don't worry, I can write. We can do a series. Hey, we can do a series. Our series will be quite game. Wasishayo ushaka. Epetus Nash. Sanya. Guys, don't forget to send your heart me's. Don't forget to send your heart me's. Do not forget to send times 2, guys. Let's go. First give this times 2. But let's not first give. Let's go, guys. Something. Ningabaniki thuba. Rikabasha komberela chuba. Angazi ukuthi kuchaza uthini lokho. Kodwa ke on the glove. Nesh, I see you guys together. Together, guys. Hey, labantu laba. They will play. I'm telling you. They're going to snap the speed. Thank you, Zama. They're going to snipe the speed. I'm telling you guys. You'll see. These people are going to snipe. I don't know what about Dogozo guys and Jada. Eh? It's fine. Don't worry about them. At least they are not going to write a poem about us. Bafaki Rose. But that's February. Asizi 14 February. Tanya. Sanya. Sanya, who you are waving for? You are waving for that 36. We are Sanya Kanda when. The soft grade. We are Sanya. Mara Jada, I'm still asking this, in a new year, it's the 3rd of this year now, but you're still wearing a bonnet and your hair still look like nonsense. It's fine, I will try to to ask Sibono Guhle to write a poem for you. A poem is which will be like you are asking for someone to love you and give you money to do your hair. You see something? I know this one is creative. He will make things happen for you, huh? Don't worry. Worry not. Very creative, this one. You'll be by the 14th of February. You'll be connect with this guy, eh? Trust me. You better give her a follow, him a follow. Yeah. Yeah, fine. Snatch, let's play Leo enye mama ngoba angeke bazi bayi snipe.
Ngikubuzile ukuthi kuyayibona i-soft dread so, kuyayibona i-soft dread so wenza ukuthi umfana usazini wena uzongitshela nge-soft dread la.
Sibuyela guys. Uyeyisa le yangane lena.
Yes. Hayi, mabafike yo, hayi mabafike yazini.
Let's try to win this.
Thank you, Snatch.
Ngikubuzile ukuthi
Snatch, you have your glove, Miss Cat. Snatch, you have your glove. Snatch, Maruna, glove your arm, man.
Guys, we are playing a quiet game. Let's get to 500 first, please. Can we get to 500 as quick as possible? Let's get to 500 as quick as possible, guys. Yo, ngeke. Please, 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 please. Can we get to 500 so we can make them quiet, guys? Ngeke. Right, times 2, guys. Times 2. Let's get to 500. Universe. Let's go, guys. Donuts, caps, and money guns. Let's get to 500 first. Sizobathulisa babhem ngeke. Uyeyisa lo muntu loyana. Ufuna khulume thina manje. Kazi baba abantu
guys, come on, let's give it a same to guys. Thank you, Mama Ga Amal.
Laphenza ukubamba.
Yeah, now bone viewers yama tabs most.
Akunankinga. Akunankinga, it's fine.
Guys, let's go. Let's go together. Guys, let's step together. Let's go. Let's go together.
Send the show. Accept the screen. Let's all tap the screen.
Let's activate, guys. We drop the club and then we go. It's why the times 2 now. I mean, I want the times 3.
Yeah, vele, ngoba uyazi.
Ngikhuluma ngathi no 3.
Kahluphi. Ngoba kuyafana.
Ukhuluma ngathi khona ukuthephela.
Lo 21 nalo 0 ama benefits ayafana siyakhuluma sonke. Ngidinga noma ungaze uthole 499 igame 500. 500 igame. Noma ungaze ube no 499 uyishaya ekhanda. Khululeka. Ungazi worry. Mara ngizokubamba. Kuhle ngoba uyazi ukuthi ngizokubamba. Sho, ha. And kuhle ngoba uyazi ukuthi angikho ku 500 ngoba ngiyi1. Kwafika umuntu la zizokhala.
Times 2 bafethu, so yonke gift esifakayo izobe times 2. Nabo befaka ama glove nathi asizameni ukufika ngaphezulu ka 500. Oh yeah.
Yes, guys. Now I start to think that hairstyle comes with that head. Guys, let's go on times 2. Let's go on times 2. Guys. Let's go on times. Shut up! There, I'm leading. You can't see that I'm leading. Guys, on the club, let's go. These people, they are going to play. I start to think, but is in this Bono Gudle. I'm worried about you, You can't have the hairstyle. I come win dala. Is serious? Ushalunje. I can contract and yes, on a hairstyle. Ikundili inch. I like no. Yeah, and Tokozo, I think you need to plug Jada with that hairstyle, with that head, soft red with that head. Jada, I see you love what is this bonnet? I think I need to buy you another pack and change it because you can't be wearing the one and the same bonnet every day. Every time you come here, you are wearing that bonnet. If you keep on wearing that bonnet, you're gonna give Sibono a clue of writing another poem about the bonnet. Shut up there! Are you crazy? Uyahlanya? Wagule kanda wena. I don't care. I don't care. If you want to talk to your mother, tell your mother to use grants money to snipe here.
She's not that old, dude.
But okay, that means she can snipe, eh? Tell her to come and snipe and then you can talk. Nonsense. Are you chewing on my coins? And I heard about colors. Nina niya shisana niya. You are plucking hot water for boys and you put in their face. Why do you guys do that?
What?
And I heard that here in your breast you put a 3-star. A 3-star. Do you know a 3-star? I heard that if you heard that your boyfriend cheated on you, you that. Hey! What the fuck are you doing here? You see now, you're cheating on me. Hey, Lani, why are you cheating on me? Nonsense, idiot. You are failing to snap this 544, guys. Are you serious about life? It's a new year, but you are failing to snap this. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much for the tip.
500 sibashaye kangaka abantu namhlanje sesibabhonye kangaka abantu sesizodliwa ngo500 hayi baphe mngeke madoda ngeke angazi kwenze njani hayi baphe mngeke sesidliwa ngo500
Thank you so much, Josh.
asithepeni sonke nje
Anginamuntu, khona umuntu nje ostakile la phezulu. Anginayo umuntu la, akunabantu.
asithepeni sonke
Akekho.
Unyanyiswa leyo hairstyle leyo.
Akekho.
Guys, let's give this a shot.
how guys times 3 yazi nje ukuthi ama-hearts awu-2
Come on, guys.
ama-hearts nje amabili
When you get to 500, just to 500. Bathule, ngeke basnipe lapha. Ngiyantshela.
manje sifike 400 kuphela
Let's go first give the same
ama-hearts nje amabili
Zama, thank you so much.
Guys, let's try and play on times 3, guys. Can we please?
izovala umlomo heyi
Let's go, guys.
Thank you, Mama.
Tap so we
Let's
can.
go on top, guys.
asithepeni sonke screen bafethu
Mina ngiyacaca ukuthi nje ngishaya kunabantu. Kuhle. Bazofika. It's fine. Kaniva. Nje ngathi bangafika namanje. Appreciate it.
Guys, accept you.
Kanza ukubamba yo.
Sala kavuka.
Ngeke. Wait, you.
Ngibulisile ngithe unjani buka. Ngithe unjani uthe Mayishaka said how are you? Guys, they want to go hard on me.
This is
Bonke go hard.
mina shemnya.
ama-roses awu-10 bafethu simple stuff ama-roses awu-10 wonke umuntu ngicela njengephi rose eyodwa noma sineni awuzama ukwenza leya mpahla yabona nto leyo yenza ama-perfume ufake le gift le yama-roses awu-10 sorry shitakethe kushoda u-9 guys everybody please send 1 rose ngokushesha nje sibambisane madoda kushoda u-8 fast bafethu ungifale nje irose yakho ngokushesha kushoda 7 let's go guys let's go kushoda 6 guys let's push more pressure ama-roses kuphela bafethu kushoda nje awu-6 hayi guys asilaleni sekonakele makunje kushoda 5 hayi funa silaleni ngeke
No way, good. There can be a person and then I'm on a 0. Impossible, Haibo.
I'm happy. Jason, welcome in.
Bakushaya almost ngoba yabona ukuthi ula bayakuthulisa bazwile kuwe bazwile almost ish.
Yo.
Like, why are you even guys breathing? Like, why are you even breathing? You should be holding your breath. Eh? Don't also change that hairstyle. You will have someone to tap. They are there. It's the problem is the hairstyle. Mara now is soft created this time. So I'm just tap the screen. You don't need to leave my skirt. So you all think you're gonna make me suffer and keep me quiet? Never. Uyahlanya? Ay. They are playing a Rose. Ay, bakubulele ngamaro. Sanya. Sanya. Jada, don't worry. I'll DM because I know she won't tell me. I know she. Hey. Don't do that. I know she won't tell me. She won't tell me here where did she do the hairstyle. But don't worry. I'll try to find some connection for you. Huh? Maybe you look much better with that. But I'm afraid if you do it, you are going to be smokeless. Like you'll stay on 0. At least you are better with that 3. Eh? I'm afraid. Way too afraid. Like imagine having not even one person to tap for you. Imagine just because of a hairstyle. Just because of a hairstyle. Imagine suffering because you can't drink that mukhodu here. Yeah, you want a nonsense. Uyahlanya?
How?
Masimba. Sebunu. Uyakhalelani. Wena sibona kuhle kufanele ubhale enye inkondlo uzoba right. Ungakabhale enye usazonya.
I think ngiyolala kuna smoke namhlanje. Papa yini. Ay papa yini kuna smoke. Fam, thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for playing for the Zoom Nation. We'll meet again tomorrow guys. I'm thinking of resting now. So